In the heart of Ohio, where the cornfields stretch so wide, lived a Rizzler with a swagger and a quirky sense of pride. He'd strut down every street with a wink and a smile. His charm was quite unique, his style was versatile. Oh, the Ohio Rizzler with his rizz so fine, he'd make the ladies giggle every single time. With a skibidi and a sway, he danced the night away. The Ohio Rizzler in his own peculiar way. He'd wear his favorite hat, tilted just so right. With a twinkle in his eye, he'd light up the night. His moves were something special, a mix of cool and strange. In the land of Ohio, he was never out of range. Oh, the Ohio Rizzler with his rizz so fine, he'd make the ladies giggle every single time. With a skibidi and a sway, he'd dance the night away. The Ohio Rizzler in his own peculiar way. His legend grew and grew, the Rizzler with the magic that everyone once knew. He'd charm you with his antics, his jokes and playful grin. In the annals of Ohio, his tale would never dim. Oh, the Ohio Rizzler with his rizz so fine, he'd make the ladies giggle every single time. With the skibidi